Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Yesterday we tried out forex trading strategy for beginners. If you missed that video, then definitely you should go back and check it out, okay? And of course we did some analysis and some explanation on how you can how you can get your own signal right from the chart before going into it, okay? Yesterday we gave us this pinpoint that this particular chart, this is boom 1000 on 4-hour time frame, it was ranging between here and here, and I said once it breaks out, this is 4 hours time frame, once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then the next resistance zone is this, okay? Let me clone that. Okay, the next resistance zone is somewhere here, and if it breaks out above that, then definitely we'll have to go to the next resistance zone, which is somewhere around here. And of course, as you can see, it's also broke out above that, so it is now moving up to the next resistance zone. Okay, so that is these are the analysis we did yesterday, and that is how you can make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. Okay, you mapping out some strategic areas, some strategic points, and if there is a breakout above it or below it, depending on the direction of the market, then definitely you know what to do. Okay, when you notice the breakout above this, it means that the market will keep on buying. Okay, so you can just go to lower time frame and buy right from there. And of course, if it was unable to break out above it, then definitely it will keep on selling at that particular point. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, that is how it works. Once you are able to identify all these, then you will be able to milk the market successful. Okay guys, we will be looking more into this, and this time around I will be changing the title to building a winning forex trading strategy, okay, because we will be going deeper into it and see how we can make some good profit for ourselves. Okay, yesterday was just to build up the idea for beginners that are in the that are within the subscribers list, and of course right from there I believe that video is enough to build them up in order for them to move on with stronger strategy. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at in today's video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos. I'll make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I'll upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, I will be going straight into this. Okay, yeah, like I said, we'll be looking at building a winning forex trading strategy. That is all you need to do. When you have a winning forex trading strategy, you just need to build up on it, and you need to wait for the right opportunity to go into the trade. It's not compulsory you trade all the time. When the opportunity is not clear, you stay away from the market. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay, that is the first thing you need to know. Once the opportunity is clear, that is when you should go into the market. Okay, when it is not clear, you stay away from the market. Okay, so make sure you wait for the right opportunity based on your own trading strategy. Okay, and of course make sure you follow the trend, the supports you take note of the support and resistance zone to know the direction of the market and your entry point, then your exit point. Okay, then use reasonable lot size to be able to control the situation of things within the market. Okay, that is very, very important. This is the key to controlling the situation of things in the market. Now let's go straight to the chart so that we get to see it, how to go about it this time around. Okay, you can see I drew out this trend line yesterday, and of course I told you that once it breaks out above this, then definitely it should go up to it should sell, buy for a very long time, and it's happened that way. Okay, but this time around we won't be looking at 4-hour time frame, because some of you are not patient enough to wait for 4-hour time frame in order to get into the right timing for you to go into the market. So this time around we will be checking out H1, that is 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's check it out and see what we can do within the 1 hour time frame. Okay guys, if you can see this, guys, on 1 hour time frame, a lot of things are taking place, are going on right here within the 1 hour time frame. Just the way you have seen this, this has actually gotten to this, you can see this resistance zone was tested around there and it was obeyed, and here is another one, and of course it was still obeyed. Okay, so let's see more. Okay, I want to see more. Okay guys, I want to see where we have gotten to. Okay, this is where we have gotten to at the moment. So this is going to sell for a while till it gets to this region. Okay, so before it can pull up again. So now let's go back. Okay guys, let's see what we can do right from here. So like I said, we just need to understand all these. Once we understand all these, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. If you should notice, this market actually range around there, but before it got to the ranging period, like I said, you just need to follow the trend. Once you are able to follow the trend, you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Check out this, it was on uptrend, it has been getting to this support zone and going back, support zone and going back, and of course right from there you can see it broke out from here below it, so which means it should sell more. Okay, but before we get there, let me show you this. I'm just going to clone this. So that we get to see one or two things. You should be able to identify some strategical points like that. Once you are able to identify it, it will ease the pain of staying in the market for a very long time. You just need to wait for the right time, then you jump into the market right from there. Okay guys, so check out this. This is another point. You can see the market got to this region, it went up, got back here. So since it has gotten there, then that means another support zone has been created around there. So we just need it to break out below this support zone in order for us to start selling. Okay, that is all you need to do. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame, and of course you can take it, you can find it easy for you to go into right from there. So right from here, you can see it broke out below it, and you can start selling right from here. And where are you to stop selling? Okay, here is another support zone which we have highlighted before. So all you just need to do is just to sell within here to here. That is about 3 hours time, 3 hours candles. Okay, so this will have put you in a lot of profit. You can see it's pull back immediately, it got to this second horizontal line or trend line. Okay, it pulled back immediately, so you should have taken your profit right from here and wait for the breakout below this. And if there is a breakout above this, then you should know that it will buy till it get to this level. Okay, like I said earlier on, or probably like I explained in my last video, in yesterday's video, I told you once the market is at a support or a resistance zone, there are two things that you should be looking out for: a breakout above or probably a pullback. It is either a breakout or a pullback or reversal in price action. Okay, so that is it. So if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely you should know that it's going to shoot out and buy till it gets to this region. But right here you can see that it broke out below. So if it's breaking out below, then you should be able to map out your stop loss or your TP, which is going to be somewhere here. But personally, I love taking it out ahead of the support zone. Okay, so it should be somewhere here. So this should be where your TP should get to. So you can see this is going to buy, it's going to sell right from here till it gets to this region. And if it breaks out below that, then you should know that you will be having another sell order right from there. So you can do it one after the other and pick up another TP for yourself right from there. And here is going to be another TP for yourself, this support zone. Okay, so you can sell till this region, you can see. And of course after that, then you should know that once it breaks out below that, you can always have another TP for yourself, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, you can see these guys somewhere here. So that is how to highlight your strategic areas. Okay, so you just highlight them like that, and this gives you more confidence in the market. It helps you to know how to go with the trading activities now. So quickly, let's see what is happening with this particular trend. Okay, with this particular trend, you can see it broke out above this, went up to this, and it has gotten to this region. Might want to sell a bit, okay, because of this candle formation. Okay, so if it sells a bit, in short, it has already sold. It sold till it got to this region, so it pulled back again because it has not gotten to the initial resistance zone. So if it's and remember, once it breaks out from a resistance zone, it becomes a support zone thereafter. So this has turned out to be a support zone, so it has not been able to break out below it. So this is leading it to a pullback, and of course you should be looking out to the next resistance zone if it's not too far from here. Okay, so that should be the next place where it will be going. And of course guys, if it's unable to break out from that, then definitely to pull back again and see if it will be able to break out below this support zone. So once it breaks out below this support zone, then it should sell till it gets to this particular support zone, because this resistance zone has actually turned out to be a support zone at the moment. Okay guys, this is how you can go about your trading activities. Okay, it is very easy for you to pinpoint your specific points or your special points like this. All you just need to do is just to look at where the markets are getting to over and over that have not been able to break out, and you highlight those areas. You use your trend line to highlight those areas, and of course you just look out for a breakout above or below that, depending on the direction of the market. And if you think you cannot do all these analysis, then the 3M trend Meerkat trading tools can help you out with the trends. Okay, it can help you out with the trends. You can see this is the same chart that we were looking at on the other chart, and this is 4-hour time frame, and of course this is on uptrend at the moment. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then this is going to be the next resistance zone we should be looking out for. Okay, and if it's unable to break out this, definitely it's going to come down and see if it will be able to break out below this support zone. Okay, this is very easy for us. This has highlighted the direction of the market, downtrend, uptrend, and the likes. All you just need to do is just to perfect all that. That is why I tag this building on your own trading strategy. Okay, building a winning trading forex trading strategy. Okay, and with this you will be able to trade boom and crash with ease. Okay, it's not only boom and crash, the same strategy is applied to all the asset currency pairs, all other synthetic indices. Okay, it's still the same strategies. Even crypto asset, it is still the same strategies. You just need to understand how it works, practice and perfect your trading skill, then you will be able to get it right. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.